So there's a story on CoinDesk that this investment fund is moving to capitalize on the Ethereum ecosystem. So basically they are putting together a $50 million investment fund, and what they're going to do is they're going to buy up a bunch of Ethereum, a bunch of Ether, on the one hand, and then on the other hand, they're going to take over a bunch of Ethereum-related businesses and a bunch of vehicles within the Ethereum ecosystem. And so this is interesting. It's somewhat similar to the story of Mike Novogratz leading a capital funding round to help develop the EOS ecosystem and develop tokens on top of the EOS platform. However, this is a bit different in that this investment fund, headed by a Canadian group, OMERS, they're actually, instead of bringing in new money into the ecosystem like Novogratz is doing for EOS, this is taking money into the ecosystem, but it's actually buying out existing Ether and existing businesses and enterprises within the Ethereum ecosystem. And so this potentially raises questions about centralization, whether they're trying to take over too much of the ecosystem surrounding Ethereum, and sort of what their intentions are. But they do have, if you click on the press release, you can see that they do have some important players within Ethereum involved. Joey Krug, co-founder of Augur, he's involved with Pantera Capital, and he's been a very big player in the ERC20 space. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, whether this leads to too much centralization, or whether this is a good thing overall for the long-term health of Ethereum and the surrounding ecosystem. They did say that their primary objective is to become the central business and investment hub for the Ethereum ecosystem. So they want to be the central place outside of Ethereum, outside of the blockchain, the central hub for all enterprise solutions and related businesses. Please subscribe below. We're going to be updating the channel frequently. Anytime major stories break, we're going to be summarizing those stories. So please do subscribe below.